This is the last day that I am encountering this problem. Hey dog, get out of my shot. We have here our arm handle, and as you saw in the intro, all of this part it's a mess. So this is a sticky goo. I do not like to touch it around here. I'll show you how bad it's on my car. Look, you see, if I generally think if I will pinch and push down this part here, it will go all deep inside, but I won't do that. So to fix this, there is a simple, really simple fix. You can order this on your local eBay store, and in the package you'll get one piece of leather that goes really well with your interior. By the way, the guys from Latvia, I think they are brilliant and honest shop, really honest shop. I did order mine in beige color, but they initially sent me the black one, so I wrote to them what's going on. I really wanted the beige one because the beige one I cannot install a black leather piece on the beige interior. And in the next 3 days they send me this really nice beige interior piece of leather, almost like my interior. You have here one needle, you have your wire here, and in the package also you'll have some stickers. First, you have to watch the original video from their website to know how to use these stickers. It's pretty simple. You just have to line them up so the leather will stick in the initial process. Here I don't think I will need some stickers because this is really sticky, but we'll find out together. So another thing that you'll need, it is a scissor. And yeah, let's start. First, you'll have to verify that your piece of leather it's sitting correctly, and for that you have to align it like this. This goes here, and this part goes here, and after that you'll just want to push it like this. Oh my god, it's looking really nice. Oh my god, pretty, very pretty. Okay, so pretty important thing, if you don't want to keep your leather part forever, but I do, if you like to change it, don't use the sticky mats because it will peel off all of this good trim that is on. Okay, so now let's apply these parts here. So first you'll need to cut one piece like this in an angle. This is double-sided tape. Yeah, it's not working from here. So I think the sticky part, yeah, it's here. Okay. Place it far enough from this lip because you want your leather to really stick to it. And you can get it in there with your nails. It's better to use a card, a plastic tool, and for that I have one here, and do it like this. You'll need a card like this to work out the leather inside this part. Don't peel that off just now. Use the second part to apply it like this here, in this part here. Yeah, it's the other way around, but I'll do it like this for now. Around this part here. Let us see. Well, you can do it like this, but I want to cut a perfect shape. So yeah, this is the shape I want. Yeah. Okay, so the first part is done. I'll put this around here. So something that I didn't found on the site, and I really think it's pretty important, I'll put a piece of tape around here too. So when you grab the whole arm handle, you don't feel it slushy, and I'll put another one because we do have a lot of this sticky part here. Okay, and you'll want to create a little lip here, you see, like this, so it goes around a little bit, not overlapping for that part. So we'll need a piece like this, and after that a piece that goes around here and cut it till length. But first I want to do it like so, you see, and then we're gonna block it with another part, and for that I'm so glad I'm not touching that sticky, gooey. Look at this. Come on, guys. Is this BMW quality? No. This is some third-party vendor that sell these parts to BMW, and after installing, they didn't have much to do. Okay, so the second one, it will go. Let's make it. Okay, let's clean up a little bit here. I still have one pad left, and I'm thinking of putting it all around this part here. Okay, now let's prep the leather part. Not the leather itself, but you'll need this type of needle, and with this needle on the side it tells you that to unwind like 2.5 meters of rope, but I'm gonna unwind all of this. Rope. Why? Because you never know when you need more, and we don't want to be in a position when you'll see yourself needing to cut another piece of rope and ruin all of the stitching, because we'll have to do some stitching here, and I think this is enough. Okay, first get your needle inside the rope. Okay, put it on the half. Now we just need a little bit more. Okay, so I'll leave my needle here. Hope I won't puncture it. Okay, on this far side of the rope, we'll tie the ends together and make a knot, and double it with another knot and another one, just to be very thick, and to be sure that that part will not come off of the leather part. Okay, now verify that this is in order. So we'll start from the upper side. You see now, because of the heat, all of my stickies are getting off. Okay, so you'll stitch on the outside of this piece of paper, so you'll have to have your wire from the inside outside, and a better way to do that is by following the original stitches like this and go inside them for the first part. Man, this leather is tough. Yeah, and this needle is not sharp, so... But you know, what doesn't puncture anything punctures the skin very easily, so be very careful. Oh, so here we are. Okay. Now, get all of your wire rope out this part and verify that... Come on now. Don't do it like this, like me. Oh, we have a notch. Why do we have a notch there? I don't know, but okay. So now we'll go here to the biggest part of the notch. Put your needle there. Cut the remaining part because you will not. A little bit, like 2 to 5 millimeters in length. You'll hide that part underneath the leather. All you need to do is just get all of these stickies to unbound here and remove of the protective film. So one is off. Oh, the protective film is coming off, not the sticky part. Okay, this one here is coming off also. That's nice. You'll have to leave this for the end part. Okay, this is sticky as. Okay, let's go back on the sticky part. Here we are okay. We just have 2 more and we can start. No, this I won't take off just now because I don't want to have all of my leather sticking to it and not making a good seal on that part. Now, again, insert your leather this way with the small notch, the small angle facing the rear of the car. Pull it like this, pull it up like this too, and now just press it on the sticky part. Now you see I've uncovered that small part. Press it like this till it's really nice and verify the corners, so you'll have a really nice seal to it. Now comes the hard part, and that is the stitching, because oh my god, it's hard to stitch leather. So let's start with this part here. I'm gonna shut up now and let it play on fast forward. Follow the stitchings. This is all you have to do. Follow the stitchings. Okay, so a little bit longer and I'm already finished. Okay, so now we are finally over. We need only to place this rim here with our special tool card underneath, and after that tie a knot here, and yes, we are done. It's not a perfect job, but I'm pretty satisfied. So now a close look. I had some troubles here, here, and around here. Just remember to fit it snug around the joinings. Okay? Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and now we have a new armrest.